Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a really quick tutorial on this lace stamping design, so if you want to see how it's done, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to apply Butter London's Yummy Mummy to all of my nails as a base color. This is such a gorgeous taupe color with the tiniest bit of shimmer in it, and I love the wide brushes on these polishes. This polish has such a great formula and it's opaque in 2 coats, and I also think this would be the perfect everyday polish. Next I'm going to go in with Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier, and I'm going to apply that all around my nail. Next I'm going to use this Born Pretty lace stamping plate. This is BPL045, and I'm going to use Salon Perfect Oil Slick as a stamping polish. I'm going to apply the black polish to the plate, scrape it off, and pick it up with a clear jelly stamper. As you can see, it picked up pretty well. The stamping image is pretty detailed and fine, so there were some areas that stamped better than others, but anyways, I'm just going to stamp that onto the center of my nail. Then I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection with a pair of tweezers and clean up around my nail. And to finish it off, I'm going to use Butter London's Shine UV Top Coat, which makes my nails honestly feel like $1,000,000. It adds so much shine and it's super glossy, and again it has that wide brush, which is amazing. And here's the finished design. And I want to know if you think this looks more like lace or snakeskin. To me, my index finger and my middle finger definitely look like lace to me, but my ring finger and my pinky finger look a lot more like snakeskin than lace. So let me know by leaving me a comment down below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Be sure to check out Butter London for some amazing high quality polishes, and if you want to purchase some nail art supplies, be sure to check out Born Pretty Store and use my coupon code MGL10 for 10% off your purchase. Anyways, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!